Number 10 on our countdown is the Bradove 4 Sets Embroidery Stitches Practice Kit. Embarking on embroidery has never been easier. The Bradove kit enhances your learning experience with easy-to-follow tutorial videos. Simply scan the QR codes provided in the kit, and you'll have access to a library of instructional videos, allowing you to visually grasp each technique and stitch. Our beginner embroidery kit includes everything you need to kickstart your embroidery journey. From high-quality threads to premium fabric with patterns, needles, scissors, a threader, seam ripper, and embroidery hoops, this kit has it all. The Bradove kit also comes with a detailed tutorial book that guides you through the basics of hand embroidery, essential stitches, and provides instructions for the included designs. This tutorial book offers helpful tips to make your stitching experience enjoyable and rewarding. Looking for the perfect gift for a crafty friend or family member? The Bradove embroidery kit makes a thoughtful and creative present. Whether they are a seasoned stitcher or a beginner eager to learn, the all-inclusive nature of this kit ensures it's a delightful gift for any occasion. Quality matters, and the Bradove kit features premium embroidery materials. From silky threads to durable fabric and sturdy hoops, each component is selected to ensure a satisfying stitching experience. The threads are vibrant, the fabric is smooth, and the needles are reliable, combining to create a kit that not only looks and feels great but also produces professional-looking embroidery projects. Dive into the world of embroidery with confidence, knowing you have top-notch materials at your disposal with the Bradove 4 Sets Embroidery Stitches Practice Kit. Number 9 on our countdown is the Friendship Bracelet String 12 Skeins in the Blue series. This set features 12 skeins in a pure color series, designed to be more flexible and strong, so you don't have to worry about floss pilling or falling apart. Each skein is about 8.75 yards long, ensuring you have plenty of material for your projects. The cross-stitch floss is perfect for making friendship bracelets, children's crafts, cross-stitch projects, tassels, or holiday decorations. It's great for children, friends, moms, colleagues, or beginners in cross-stitch. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This floss set is ideal for moms, grandmas, or friends who enjoy cross-stitch. Sharing the experience of DIY embroidery with loved ones can be incredibly meaningful and enjoyable. With the Friendship Bracelet String 12 Skeins in the Blue series, you have a reliable and versatile set of floss for all your crafting needs. Number 8 on our countdown is the Boye Plastic Yarn Sewing Needle Set. This set includes 2 blue yarn sewing needles, each measuring 3 inches in length. Thicker than standard sewing needles, these durable needles are easy to use and a perfect addition to your sewing supplies, whether at home or on the go. These versatile needles are ideal for plastic canvas projects and other similar sewing tasks. They are also perfect for weaving in ends and knitting and crochet projects, making them an essential tool for any crafter. Number 7 on our countdown is the 12 Skeins Embroidery Floss in White. This set includes 12 pure white embroidery threads, perfect for creating delicate and eye-catching patterns or simple embellishments. Each floss is approximately 8.75 yards long and comes with color tags for easy identification. The bright, pure color of this embroidery thread is both flexible and vibrant, making it ideal for various projects. Use it for making friendship bracelets, children's crafts, cross-stitch projects, tassels, or holiday decorations. It's a versatile choice for children, friends, moms, colleagues, and cross-stitch beginners. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This embroidery floss set is perfect for moms, grandmas, or friends who enjoy cross-stitch. Sharing the experience of DIY embroidery with loved ones can be a truly meaningful and rewarding activity. Add the 12 Skeins Embroidery Floss in White to your crafting supplies and bring your creative ideas to life. Number 6 on our countdown is the ETSPIL 3 Sets Embroidery Kit for beginners and adults. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to start your embroidery journey. It includes 3 embroidered fabrics with patterns, 1 embroidery hoop, 3 instruction booklets, 10 color threads, 16 embroidery needles, 1 needle threader, and 1 seam ripper. Perfect for beginners, this kit features 33 essential stitching techniques. The comprehensive English instructions and synchronized instructional videos make it easy to follow along. Each pattern in the instruction booklet is numbered and linked to its corresponding tutorial video, offering over an hour and 30 minutes of step-by-step demonstrations. Designed with ample practice space, each stitch in the kit can be practiced multiple times. The floral patterns are specifically designed for each stitching technique, making the learning process simple and enjoyable. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The ETSPIL Embroidery Practice Needle Set makes a wonderful present for family or female friends. It's a special and meaningful gift that can also be displayed as a decorative item in their homes. Dive into the world of embroidery with confidence using the ETSPIL 3 Sets Embroidery Kit for beginners and adults. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Number 5 on our countdown is the Simthread Embroidery Thread, 5,500 yards in black 900. This is your ultimate embroidery thread solution, featuring 170 vivid colors to meet your most demanding color requirements. Check out the color chart in pictures 4 to 5 to select the perfect shade, with many colors seamlessly converting to match your needs. Elevate your craft and bring your imagination to life with our premium quality embroidery thread. The upgraded 5,000-meter, 5,500 yards, Huge Spool design ensures you have more than enough thread for your largest or long-term embroidery and sewing projects. With a 40 weight, 120D/2, and standard size, this polyester thread is ideal for home-based, semi-industrial, industrial, and commercial embroidery machines. Our embroidery machine thread meets higher standards, passing rigorous lab tests to comply with CPSC regulations and all essential safety standards. This ensures our products are child-safe and environmentally friendly, providing peace of mind as you create. Featuring upgraded trilobal polyester and advanced imported materials and technology, this thread is designed to excel under speeds of up to 1,000 stitches per minute. Enjoy a 20% boost in work efficiency compared to other threads. For optimal performance, adjust stitch speed to 800 to 600 stitches per minute for colors with dyeing variations affecting strength. Simthread Embroidery Machine Thread is your trusted year-round partner, ensuring vivid colors withstand daily wear and tear, including laundering, bleaching, rubbing, washing, and perspiration. If you have any concerns or encounter problems, please reach out. We are dedicated to your satisfaction with both our product and service, striving to meet and exceed your expectations. Number 4 on our countdown is the Paxcoo 124 Skeins Embroidery Floss Cross-Stitch Thread with Needles. This comprehensive set includes 124 skeins of embroidery threads and a set of gold eye needles, making it perfect for beginners. With approximately 100 vibrant colors per pack, this floss is ideal for friendship bracelets, string art, needlecraft projects, and cross-stitch projects. The polyester cotton blend is glossy and smooth to work with, ensuring strong and durable embroidery threads. Each skein is 8 meters long and includes 6 strands. The set also comes with 16 gold eye embroidery needles, sizes #3-9, perfect for cotton or ribbon embroidery. If you encounter any issues with our product, simply click the seller contact button in your Amazon account to reach out. We are delighted to help and will reply as soon as possible. Number 3 on our countdown is the new Brothread Single Huge Spool, 5,000 m each polyester embroidery machine thread in white. As one of the largest manufacturers of embroidery machine thread, new Brothread offers over 1,500 colors in stock. This single spool features 5,000 meters of high-quality polyester thread, meeting the demands of clients who need different colors in various quantities. With excellent color conversion options, most colors can be easily converted between Brother and Madeira colors. Check out the new Brothread color chart in pictures number 3 and number 4 to find the perfect shade for your embroidery projects. This thread boasts color fastness, high strength, and exceptional luster, all thanks to its 100% polyester material. Each spool is 40 weight, 120D/2, and 5,000 meters, 5,500 yards, long, making it ideal for all embroidery machines, including home-based, semi-industrial, industrial, and commercial machines. Note that home-based machine users should use an upright thread stand or holder for proper thread feeding. The suggested average speed for using this thread is 800 stitches per minute. For colors with weaker strength due to longer dyeing times, reduce the machine speed to around 600 stitches per minute to prevent breaking. Elevate your embroidery projects with the new Brothread single Huge Spool, 5000 m each Polyester Embroidery Machine Thread. Number 2 on our countdown is the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color, 50 skeins per pack. This set includes 50 vivid and vibrant rainbow colors, perfect for any project. Each skein is made from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, ensuring durability and a smooth finish. Each floss is 8.75 yards long and consists of 6 strands, making it versatile for various crafting needs. This embroidery kit is an ideal gift for family or friends, offering endless possibilities for creativity. The rainbow-colored embroidery strings are perfect for making friendship bracelets, arts and crafts, cross-stitch projects, string art, tassels, DIY projects for kids, and other children's crafts. It's also the right embroidery kit for beginners, providing a fun and engaging way to start. Enjoy 24/7 customer support with this set, ensuring you have assistance whenever you need it. Brighten up your crafting with the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color, 50 skeins per pack. And now, number 1 on our countdown is the Friendship Bracelet String, 50 skeins Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss. This set features 50 different rainbow colors, including blue, green, red, orange, pink, yellow, gray, black, white, and more, ensuring you have all the colors you need for any project. Each skein is about 8.75 yards long and designed to be flexible, durable, and resistant to pilling and falling apart, providing a long storage time. The cross-stitch floss is perfect for making friendship bracelets, children's crafts, cross-stitch projects, tassels, and holiday decorations. It's great for children, friends, moms, colleagues, and cross-stitch beginners. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This embroidery floss set is ideal for moms, grandmas, and friends who love cross-stitch. Enjoy a meaningful DIY embroidery experience with them, creating lasting memories. Each skein comes with color tags, making it easy to organize and use. Enhance your crafting projects with the Friendship Bracelet String, 50 skeins Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.